Start spreading the news from Erie, PA. Whether it rains or snows tonight, it's on Facebook Live. The weather, Nightcap with Tom Atkins and his clique. Thank you to you for watching now.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Weather Nightcap. Jet, Fox, your Erie, Facebook streaming live. Good to have you with us as we start this wonderful show. Let me get some light on the situation. Maybe I should move this camera over a little more. How's that? Okay. Yeah, hopefully we got everything in order here. So, hello to you, Les. Great to have you here, as always. Jeremy Brandon, hardworking man. Good to see you, sir. Timothy from down in Florida. Hello. Vince from down in Enid. 1,500 since your rain. Good. Glad you got some rain. 2 tornadoes so far. Second fewest. That's a good stat. I like that stat. Ellen, welcome to the show. Thanks for being here. Let's see. I have an echo. Do I still have an echo? That is the question. Are my settings all right? Mute, open, mute, open. Well, you guys let me know. Gerald, hello. Welcome to the show. It's okay. I know. I know you're doing some intel. Great to have you here. Antonio, I cannot translate. Thanks for being here, Antonio Lopez. Are you from Paris? Is that what you're saying? Welcome to the show. How'd you come here? If you can understand my English, then what brings you into our little family gathering in Northwest Pennsylvania? Great to have you here. Laura, good to see you here. 52. The temperatures keep getting warmer and warmer at night. It's pretty nice. GFS Yvonne, a pleasure. The clock is running at 2:58 and counting. David from Skywarn, hello. Thanks, Vince. I guess I hit the right switch. Julie M., always good to see you. Yeah, I have an extra camera because of the crescent waxing gibbous moon. So I got all kinds of, see, watch this. Can't touch this. Do. See, I got one that I can take outside and shoot the moon with, so to speak. But we'll do that in a minute. Let's see. Oh my gosh, Bill. Thanks for letting me know we were going to have a great, another one coming up today too. Mary Ann from the Forest, so good to see you, even though you're in Cochranton. You have been MIA. We're glad you're okay. Alsdale, great to see you from north of the border, North Battleford, Saskatchewan, Canada. I love it. And Terry J., welcome back to the fold. Kathy Beal, thanks for sneaking in the cat door. I love it. 68 from Timothy in Florida. Bill Albion, 58. Not that much difference. Can't touch this. Yeah, love it. All right, let's get some stuff going here and see what we can come up with, see if we can shoot the moon and all that. Deborah Zimmer, good to see you. Long time to see. How are things? And I don't know what happened. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? I lost the camera. Hello, hello. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Hello. uh, let me know. Something went down and I don't like it. Thank you, Nanette. Thank you, Kathleen. Kathleen, where are you joining us from? Don't recognize your name. Thanks for being here. Thank you guys for the soundtrack. I don't know what's going on. I lost the camera. Let me check just 1 minute. The Hucklebuck has begun and it's only 6 minutes and 20 seconds into the show. Burrow Burbs Bob, good to see you, sir. All right, hang on. Just give me a minute. Because I don't know if you can hear me, but something went kaflooey. I don't like it when that happens.
Okay, hopefully we got that back.
Sorry.
Now there's probably an echo.
All right.
We all okay, y'all? Hopefully. I got muted. Very good point, Kathy Beal. And the fun never ends. But thanks everybody for the sound checks. By the airport. Okay, so you are by the airport. You hear any planes coming down late tonight? Is that what's going on? Khan, welcome. How you doing? Where are you joining us from? Welcome to our little friendly gathering here. Thank you for liking it. Just keep trying. John, long time no see. Welcome back. Oh my gosh. They muted me this time. There is no end to it. Oh, wait a minute. Khan, I'm not sure. You keep telling me. Uh-oh. Thank you for your support, I think. All right. Is that true? Do you not hear anything now? Have we gone to that craziness? Mic check, mic check. All right. Sorry about that. Gerald, take care of yourself, buddy. Hucklebuck is all over the room tonight. I got like 15 minutes left on this 25-minute abbreviated show, and I'm already going crazy. All right. Thank you. Thank you for all of you. Thank you for your support. All right. Let's try this again. Appreciate it, Kathleen. Hope you can hear me now. Thanks for shouting out to the airport. Couple more for you, right? Because we got other cameras and other positions. It was election day. And if anybody knows anything about why there's so many cars there, are they having a meeting, or did the Charlotte flight on American Airlines just not make it in yet? Primary election day yesterday. Here's a nice shot. Hope you enjoy it. I love the American flag, as I'm sure many of you do. So there's a shot of it. Burrow Bobs, thank you so much for that report. Pleasure to have you here always, sir. Keep up the good work. Just futzing around here, trying to make everything work. It's always fun. Oh my goodness. Someone help me. Someone. All right. Next camera. The scaffold shot from downtown. Hope you like it. You know, cathedral shining brightly in the night. And I know a lot of you like that shot. Lisa Faluch, she sent me a nice moon picture. Lisa, that's her favorite shot. So we got that going for us. They're not shopping, but we have the tops in Meadville. So there you go. What else? An auspicious start to the show, I know. A couple more for you. How about Bayfront? Do a little Bayfront down at the Bayfront.
We'll try. We'll keep trying. So we got through the weather cameras. That's something. Got some great pictures for you. David, great to have you here. Tom Paskey, I hope you get back to work soon. Cornman, good to have you in the house. Debbie, dropped 2 more degrees in Wattsburg. Laura, what do you have in Edinburgh? You're usually pretty close to Wattsburg. Borough Burbs is like 51, 52. So on to some pretty shots and some weather information, and then we're going to shoot the moon. How exciting, right? Look at that. 4 robin's eggs, pretty blue stuff from Chatty Cathy in Youngsville in Warren County. So beautiful nature picture. I know she's not on this show, but it's good to have her stuff. And Lisa Faluch shooting the moon through the trees, doing a great job like she always does. Thanks, Borough Burbs. Appreciate you. Yeah, we keep installing new and better cameras. Uh-oh, Debbie's temperature went back up. Thank you, David. Thank you. I'll look. Lori is also at 51. Debbie, where's your thermometer? You're killing me. But maybe it is 57. Here's a great shot by James Scott, our great photographer in Southwest Crawford, the waxing gibbous moon. That's pretty cool. So a variety of pictures tonight. But Ken, good to see you. Thanks for coming into the show. And a variety of cool stuff also, because we want to get our own shot of the moon here, just because we love taking road trips. I'm going to check temps for a second here, and then we're going to take a road trip. I don't know, other than you, Vince, of others in and around the country that might be affected by some nasty weather. If anybody, we're shouting out to the astronauts here, near and far. If you guys that are not within the group experiencing any bad weather, just let me know, and I will do a radar coast to coast. But for now, we're just doing a short show to start out with and showing you some temperatures. Everybody have fun tonight. The data is now missing. You can't script this stuff. Well, maybe I can show you what happened today, and then I'll grab a camera and we'll shoot the moon, because we got to see if that works. 75 for a high, 53 for a low. It's a beautiful night in the neighborhood, and we're glad you're here. All right. Interesting stuff here. Swallows have returned. Nice. Thank you, Vince. Shirley, you're in the room. We've got the comedians here. All right. Thank you, Shirley, for joining in our room. The Gremlins, it's more than Gremlins, Kathleen. It's like a cavalcade of bad luck tonight. Yeah, can you believe it? Now the temps are muted. Everything's muted. And but we keep bouncing back, don't we? Resilient folks here on the Nightcap. Let me see if the dew points are muted too. Yep, they're muted. All right, so we'll go to the big map and then we'll shoot the moon. How's that, kids? I think that's a good plan. And the reason I was saying about those of you out of town, because you can see down here, they are still getting pummeled. It's a tremendous squall line approaching Houston right there. Some bow echoes and some nasty weather down there. Also, some hucklebuck south of Nolens in the Gulf. GFS, is that a tropical system forming there? I don't see the good doctor, but it looks, look at that. Everything moving from east to west with the trade winds there. Speaking of craziness. Another squall line out here in the Lubbock area where they had a tornado warning last night. Looks like it's breaking apart as it's headed towards Wichita Falls. And to you, Vince Trotta, he's an Enid pictured right there. So a lot of hucklebuck in the plains and south. But for us, it's not coming here. It's not. I'm telling you. We're going to be blocked. I'll show you that right now, and then we'll shoot the moon. And we'll be in good shape here. Okay? Really. Barring anything else. Hot air somewhere. Did we go to Washington, D.C. on that trip? I don't know. John, you're hilarious. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you, sir. All right, so we're gonna shift this and show you why we're gonna stay dry for the most part. Thanks. Yeah, Les, there's a lot of stuff going on, and here's why. Watch this. Can't touch this. We're going to do an upper level satellite picture, which really shows the flow of the jet stream pretty well. Now watch what happens here. It goes up and then below us. So what's going on here, kids? And there's the nasty weather approaching Houston. All this moisture here is getting blocked from coming to us. So what we are getting, here's the combo. We're sunny and dry. These guys are humid, steamy, drenched, drippy, sometimes stormy. So that is why we are, you know, on the dry side of things. Okay? Thanks, Alistair. I'll have to take a look at that. Thank you. Katy, Texas, that's not good. We should shout out to our friend, who's our friend in Katy? Oh my gosh, I'm not good with names. But Shannon in Katy. Thanks, GFS, for that. I think it pretty well explains it, right? Because if you look at no temperatures, I can't even get you any temperatures. The ones down in here were in the 70s, but that's because there was so much cloud cover. If there was sunshine, they'd be in the 80s, and that kind of air is going to be transported in our direction. Even the pink stinks map is muted. So I say, as we look, we're trying to find you up there between Regina and Stony Rapids. There, Al's there, but I know it's a tough night. So we'll just use this, and then we will shoot the moon because it is beautiful, and it has been. All right, here we go. All right, I'm going to try this. Let's hope it works, right? Welcome to the Crazy Show, where we try and try again. So, let's do solo layout. And we got this going for us. And the map is spinning. So we're going to go outside, God willing, and the creek don't rise. There's some kind of shortage of data, Cornman, and it might be from the National Weather Service. They might have some sort of outage. So who knows? But we're going outside. We're going to do a road trip for a couple minutes. And I found the moon earlier, and I can find it again right now. Where's my moon? It's right there. You see it next to the Doppler tower? I mean, it's not impressive because you don't have a good focus on it. So I'm going to walk towards it a little bit away from the light here. But it's up there. It's this one right there. Sarah Ann, where have you been? Good to have you and Jim here. Of Erie Pa, thank you. I would use a Sharpie to write on the street. Thank you, that's a great idea. But there is your moon, just down and to the right of the tower there. Sorry I can't get a good fix on it, but you've had a couple of pictures of it, so it's been nice. It's nice and quiet. If you look over to the Honda dealership, it's a nice southerly breeze. Puppies and Kitties Hospital is great. It's milder tonight. There's hardly any wind. I don't know if 7 Day is here, but the weeds are still growing. And God only knows what else is happening. There's the icebergs. Not much ice left over. But we are outside on a beauteous night here. Just a beautiful night. So I wanted to share, even with a not so great picture of the moon, we got that going for us, which is nice. It is so small. Terry J. Shirley Ramsey. Oh, yeah. Back in the day. All right. So what we want to do is give you a little forecast, and we're going to shut it down early tonight. Just we're doing a test run, trying to make sure that that we can get everybody in without being muted in 25 minutes. So I have about 3 minutes to do this, and we'll be good. All right. I'm always up late, just so you know. That's why the show says Tommy A up all night, because I usually am, if you cared. So here it is, kids. Here's the map. Red streamers, hardly any precipitation. All right, watch this. That wet weather from the Midwest just evaporating as it comes towards us. The red streamers dominating. You can get a pop-up shower like here at 6:45, little green on the map there, or a rumble of thunder, but by and large, it's southerly winds, warm temperatures, lack of precipitation, clouds, sunshine, summer, right into Saturday. So your forecast is pretty simple. Nice followed by more nice. So tonight, starlit, pleasant, milder than last night, 55 up by the lake, mid to upper 40s, where Lori and Bob and Deborah in Wattsburg are. Beautiful day coming up, right? Mostly sunny, warmer today. Great stuff. I don't know if someone has, but I'm trying to make it so no one does. That's my plan. That's my schedule, Cornman. And I've got, looks like about a minute and a half to prove my theory. I don't think Patty was on. So there's your 7 Day. I don't even know if 7 Day is on, but you can see right here, temperatures rise up into the 80s. A chance of an isolated storm Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That means it's mainly dry, warm, and progressively more humid. Some scattered storms more possible Sunday evening into Monday. We dip a little bit on temperatures, and we go right back up on Tuesday. Usually, I try to be on here sometime between 12 and 12:30. So here we have it. It is approaching the 25-minute mark. We have no boots that I know of. Thanks, Deborah, for the question. Bob Herman with the public service announcement. So I think the theory is good. So what I'm going to do is get you into Smiley or Kristen or whoever's doing the sign-off singing of the American and Canadian anthems, and we might just have a clean show. It's not out of the ordinary that I might come back, but I think I'm going to leave it here for now because I don't want to tempt fate. Testing. Yvonne, you're in. You guys are great. Thanks for being here. We will try this again tomorrow night, and we'll do more. We'll expand the zone. I just want a clean one tonight. So thanks for your support, and y'all come back now, and we'll see you again down the road real soon. I promise. And have a good night, everybody. Thanks for your support. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay well. And I'm going to go Smiley out tonight. Okay, here we go.
Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love, in all thy son's command. With glowing heart we see thee rise, the true note strong and free. From far and wide, O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? Alright, this is for Tom Atkins and his peeps. God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above, from the mountains to the prairie, to the oceans white with foam. God bless America, my home